Hello friends, welcome to this new tutorial. Yes, as you see here, iPhone unavailable. This is the first time I saw this, and I don't know why it shows here that's iPhone unavailable. Maybe this is with the new software. It start telling iPhone unavailable instead of saying iPhone is disabled or something like that. So today in this video I will show you how to solve this problem. I think, or I believe, that to solve this problem we just need to update the software on the phone. So to update it we will need the cable. I have the cable here and the cable is connected to my computer. Then we will need the iTunes. I already have iTunes here. If you don't have iTunes, you can just go to Google, open a new page. Then from Google you can download iTunes. You're just gonna click here and search here on this case iTunes download. It's right here. Then you click enter here on the computer. Then it will take you to download iTunes. Here the first one. Then here it's asking you want to download it for what. Download iTunes for Windows. It's right here. Okay, and it depends on what Windows do you have. So you download iTunes for Windows, which version, if you have Windows 32, this is the 32, or the 64. Mine is the 64, so I will download it for the 64. Click here, and once you download it you will see here in the corner that it's already downloaded. Then click on it, then you install the iTunes. I'm not gonna go through the process to install it because I already have it here. Alright, so now what I'm gonna do, I will connect this cable here to the phone, then I will continue with you. Okay, alright, so the phone is connected. It's still showing me iTunes unavailable. Let me see if this cable is connected to the computer or somewhere else. Yes, it's connected to the computer. Alright, so from here I need to put this phone on what it's called the I don't remember, DFU mode, restore mode, download mode. I don't remember what is it. So anyway, I just click here on the volume up, volume down, then the power button, and hold. Keep holding while the phone is connected. Okay, so just keep holding. The phone turns off, then just keep holding. Once it shows you the Apple logo, keep holding. Okay, just keep holding. It shows me the Apple logo now, right? So just keep holding. It turns off again, so we just keep holding. Okay, so now as you see it shows me this, and once this appear here, we have this little box appears on the computer. Then we're just gonna do here update. The first thing we're gonna do the update, but it tells you here if the phone cannot be updated, you have to restore it to its manufacturing settings. That means you're gonna delete everything on it, and you need to know what was the Apple ID on the phone and what is its password. If you don't know what is it, you're gonna stuck there and you're not gonna be able to use the phone. So let's click update, and I already have the software downloaded here, so it's extracting the software here. But for you, in case you are doing it the first time, you may see a little circle here in this corner. It tells you that the software is downloading. So you're just gonna wait until the software is downloaded, and once the software got downloaded it will start extracting automatically. But if it takes a long time to download the software, this option here may go away, so you need to do it again one more time. The volume up, volume down, then power button, and hold until you see this. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I will just wait until I see what's gonna happen here. I don't have to do anything else because the software will take care of all the steps until it's finished. Okay, so I'm just gonna pause this video and until I see the next step. Alright, so it's the extraction, the software is finished. Now it's preparing the iPhone for software update. So the phone here turns off and it will turn back on, and it's supposed to show me the Apple logo plus loading bar underneath. Alright, so it shows the bar here, so I'm just gonna wait for the system to finish. As you see, I'm not doing anything, I'm just waiting. And this bar here will keep going until it's full. Sorry, I'm holding the phone in my hand, so I'm just trying to show you a quick video about how to solve this problem. Alright, so I'm just gonna pause this video until we move to the next step. So now here it's verifying the update, and here it still didn't start yet. Okay, it start loading now, as you see. Alright, so once it's finished, it just like show me here that it's finished, but I'm gonna wait a little bit until it tells me, until the phone turns back on. Let me see if the phone turns back on. Oh, it's still giving me the same problem. So in this case, I have to reset the phone. Alright, so by the way, I'm just trying to see what can solve this problem. Okay, the phone is up to date, I think, and then it goes back to the same issue here. So now what I'm gonna do, I will just do the same thing: volume up, volume down, then the power button, and hold. Keep holding. I'm just gonna keep holding until I see connect to the iTunes. Keep holding, don't release. Even it turns off, just keep holding. Alright, so now as you see, but now what I'm gonna do, I will just go here on the computer and I will click restore and update, and that's it. So I will just wait until it finish. It's gonna be the same process, so the same thing like before. So we're just gonna wait for the phone to continue by itself. Okay. Alright, so it's almost finished here, and here on the computer it looks like it's done. So let's just wait. Hopefully this solves the problem. Okay, the phone turns off, and here it tells me that your iPhone has been restored to its factory settings, and this message will disappear in a couple seconds. Alright, so now let me see what will appear here. Hopefully we get rid of that thing. I'm just gonna wait for this one to reboot. It will turn on soon. I will wait up to 1 minute and we will see. Alright, I heard a beep. Alright, so now it's showing me the Apple logo. Hopefully. Alright, it's still loading. Okay, here in the computer it looks like the phone is connected. Okay, I'm just gonna wait until it finishes. Okay, I don't wanna like hold you for a long time. Unfortunately, it shows me here iPhone could not connect to the, okay, this is not a problem. So yeah, sometimes with the new software it shows this message. So I'm just gonna wait here. So even if you see iTunes could not connect to this iPhone, this is just a connection problem because the phone it's still loading here, you know. So we're just gonna wait. Alright, so now it shows me the Apple logo again. Okay, so I think it's good now. Let me see. I'm gonna select English, United States, set up manually. I'm just gonna connect it to the Wi-Fi. I'm just putting my password, my Wi-Fi password. Alright, join. Password incorrect. So I put the password one time. Join. Okay, it's connected. Next. Now it may ask me for the password that was on the phone before. I don't know what is it, but I think we should be good from here, you know. Alright, yeah, it's asking for the Apple ID that was on the phone before. So in case it's asking you for this Apple ID, you just need to put it. And that's the thing what I mentioned in the beginning. For me, I'm just gonna give the phone to the customer and he will put his information and then he will be able to use his phone. But if the phone doesn't belong to the customer or doesn't belong to me and they don't know what is the Apple ID here, I'm not going to be able to put it here, then put the password here and go ahead, click next to go to the next step, right? And I'm not going to be able to use the phone. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. I hope that this video helped you to solve this problem. If it does, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment area down below here. Click the button, the like button, and see you in the next video. Have a wonderful time. Peace.